Financial institutions provide credit to individuals and businesses. There will be a clear expectation set during the process about the repayment plan for the loan. Many institutions assign field agents to collect these payments. Key challenges: manual assignment of tasks, manual records, paper-based receipts, consolidation of data, increased operational cost, connectivity issues, evolving or changing norms, data authenticity, lack of collection restrictions, delays in MIS reports, timely processing. Effort offers web app for managers to allocate, monitor and analyze the jobs, and mobile application access for agents to view and perform the assigned tasks. Managers can automate work allocation with the help of geointelligence. The agent can reach the assigned location, check in, and also click a selfie for authentication using the geotagging feature. The agent can then proceed to the payment collection screen. Payments can be collected in forms of cash, checks, QR code, UPI. The agent then updates the status on the app and moves on to the next job. The app will prompt the agent as he reaches the collections limit set by the manager. The agent then heads to the nearest bank to deposit the cash and checks. Once the deposit is completed, the agent can capture and update the deposit confirmation slip in the app. The agent continues with the collections and completes all the jobs on time. Effort provides a comprehensive deposits and collections management solution. Effort benefits managers from: based on availability and distance, time-critical tasks, location-sensitive jobs, improved efficiency, timely notifications and updates, increased productivity, automated reports and analysis. Financial institutes benefit from streamlined processes, increased transparency, reduced risk factors, reduced operational costs, marketing, schemes analysis, accurate and timely reports, increased transparency, data-driven strategies. Our wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility. For reports and analytics, raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.